Hey guys, it's Cece. It's throwback week. Pretty sure I'm late. These are some weird videos of my brother and his friend Cameron, who I also see as a brother. This is why they're considered my family.
The Chubby Bunny Challenge.
You're taking advantage of your big mouth.
You're gonna fail. Mikey, where does chocolate milk come from? Do not judge me. I don't know why I decided to do this, but it was fun. The person that you hear in the background is my favorite cousin, Katie. But, yeah, don't judge. Go!